Good morning, everyone. September 22, 2021. It is 9:06 a.m. Central Time, and we just woke up with an excellent news from the Gevy team, and this also applies to the MKSE4. Unfortunately, the MKSE4 on the smart card is still being blocked by Apple, so there's nothing we can do on that route. So we just need to wait. But remember, it's been for the past few days. It's been very unstable and took me steps to configure the Gevy Pro to unlock your iPhone. Unfortunately, this is an easy way, but you still need an old AT&T SIM card. I got a few SIM cards from AT&T. This one used to be with a plan. This one, it is a prepaid one. I don't know if you can tell. This is a prepaid, and this is one of the old ones. You notice that I have attached an MKSD4. That's gonna be for my next video, because it's a new way also and really simple. So I'm gonna take this out of the way, but I need to show you. It has to be with a AT&T SIM card. This is an old one. This is a prepaid one, AT&T, and this one used to be on a plan that it's not active any longer. So let's begin, guys. Really great news. I have an iPhone XR from Sprint. Unfortunately, I don't have any other iPhones to do tests, so just bear with me, guys. This iPhone, it is on iOS 15, officially released, XR. And if we scroll down, what it says, SIM lock, carrier lock. Yes, it is SIM lock. Here's the restrictions. So you're gonna grab your Gevy Pro. You're gonna grab it. Let me see. Put this on the side, and then you're gonna need the whole piece for your iPhone. You have an iPhone XS all the way to the 12 Pro Max and even the 13. You need the whole piece. If you have an iPhone X2X, 7 through X and the SC 2020, you need this half piece. There is a little, it is pre-cut in the middle, so you have to look very closely, and you will see the little, the way how you're supposed to cut it in the middle and on top. There is like a little trim. But for iPhones XS all the way to the 12 Pro Max, you need the whole piece. So you're gonna grab your Gevy, and you need an active or inactive AT&T SIM card. This is the only way, okay? This is the only way to do the semi-factory. So let me just to show you. I have a US Mobile here, Verizon network. So it's throwing me to the hello activation. Again, activation screen completed. SIM not supported. So the first thing you need to do is go to my website. You can type on Google DJ Shop Store, and it's gonna be the last on the. You're gonna see all this. My Instagram, which right now I'm not active. My Facebook page. There's other ones, but it's gonna be the first option, DJ Shop Store, or on my Amazon. So you're gonna click on my website, and this is the latest ICC-ID. It says ICC-ID cyber mode, but that has been changed. I need to do an update on that. So just copy my ICC-ID that is on my website. And please, if I use this ICC-ID on this video, it doesn't mean it's gonna work next time for you, okay? So just FYI, you need to go to my website to obtain the newest. It is listed here as day 2021. That was yesterday, but it's still working. So I just need to go. I need to do this first to make sure it is working, and then I can change the date so we can verify that today the 22nd it works. And like I said, if you don't put the Gevy Pro correctly, when you put it in, you will notice that it won't go in very smooth like it was supposed to go. There you go. So I'm going to put it in. So this is the steps. You don't need to choose cyber mode or anything else, okay? Just watch closely. Go to my website, copy the one that's on my website, and then you're going to put it in. Same thing. In this case, we're going to go to edit because we need to change the ICC ID. We're going to edit ICC ID, and this is the one the Gevy comes by default. So we're going to erase it, and I'm going to paste the one on my website. Paste it, and it's the one ending 0503. I'm going to hit send and then accept. And you notice it is picking up the signal. It goes up and down. This AT&T, I had to purchase a prepaid plans to do my test. But it works. That's why you see signal. But if yours doesn't have any signal, it will display no service. And then gonna go to the activation screen. It will take some time, okay? It will take a couple of seconds to do the whole process. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, and there you go. In my case, I didn't have an iCloud or iTunes account sign in, so it took me all the way to the main menu. But if you do have a passcode or iPo account, it will ask you for your iCloud account. It will ask you for your email and password, and like I always do, I choose passcode. And then you have to put your passcode, and we'll take you to the home screen. And not only that, this is, let me close the settings so we can refresh. So I want to go back to settings, about, as you can see, iPhone XR 15, and there you go, guys. No SIM restrictions. So that means I can take this out. Well, for this is for iPhones originally from T-Mobile, Verizon, and any other network, Spectrum, Boost, Cricket. But if you have an iPhone originally from AT&T, you have to leave the Gevy in along with your chip. Okay. So that's the only problem. In my case, because this iPhone is not belong to AT&T, I can use, for instance, this is a Sprint iPhone. I need to use AT&T chip along with the Gevy Pro. But if you have an AT&T iPhone originally from AT&T, you can choose any carrier, whatever carrier you like. But in this case, it will not display SIM no restriction. It will keep appearing SIM restricted, but you have to leave the Gevy in, and that way you will get service. Okay, so just FYI. But in my case, because this phone is not AT&T, I can take this out very carefully. And like I said, these Gevys are not designed to be not reusable, so be very careful with it. It can get damaged really easily, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to use my US Mobile Verizon network. Waiting for the signal to come out. There we go. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi. And this is a semi-factory unlock. So this phone will be unlocked forever unless you do a new update via iTunes, or if you reset your phone to new, you will lose the app, the unlock, and you have to redo the whole process again. But everything is working right now, so no problems. Your phone is going to be acting like it's factory unlock.
Hi, thanks for calling US Mobile. We're looking forward to helping you and we'll...
Who is US Mobile? Let me go back to my website. Okay, so the ICC ID is working. So it's working, guys. Good news. The only sad part is that you need to use AT&T SIM card in order for you to do the unlock. If you have an iPhone that belongs to AT&T, you need to use your whatever carrier you're going to want to unlock it, plus the Gevy Pro. Do the same process, but everything stays inside. Okay, just like the old times for now, until they find a new solution for that. Okay, so just great news, guys. We can still unlocking without all the steps. Just edit. When the Gevy Pro comes out, choose edit ICC ID, go to my website, choose the ICC ID there is in my website, plug it in, and you shouldn't have any problems. Really, really, really simple, really easy. Okay, bye-bye.